Good morning, everybody. Afreen, yes, the front camera should be closed. Afreen. Good morning. To last day, I have taught you the ship of the desert. So please today open that page number 105. Today I'll write the question answer. Here you know that camel and sheep had a conversation, and how camel is surviving in the desert, and that's why that lion is asking, and how he stored food and where he stored food and water, and why and how he had walked or run fast in the hot sand. That's why that lion had asked. He was the king of the jungle, but he could not do like this. But at the same time, the camel answered so many things. He stored food in his hump, he stored water in his stomach, big stomach, and he can stay without water and without food for 15 days. And Ayush, last day, Ayush was there or not? Let me see. Now also Ayush had joined. Yes. So, fortnight means not 14 days. Fortnight means 14 night, 15 days. Okay. It's too noisy. Let me see who is not muted. No, everybody is muted, no? So please open your copy and start writing. Why is the ship of the desert? Number 1, why is the camel called ship of the desert? Answer is that the camel is able to survive in the desert and with his qualities, with his special qualities, and also it can run fast. It can run fast in the hot sand. So, it is called ship of the desert. So, please write. Anushka, why it is noisy? I have just muted again. Who has? Aniruddha, you don't know that you should be muted? Why you are talking and why you are unmute? Ayush, any problem? Please write that. I am telling, please write that. And write fast. No need to type here. Camel is able to survive in the desert with its special qualities, and also it can run fast in the hot sand. So it is called sheep of the desert. Why repeat? I have written. Can't you see? I have not rubbed. Please look at the board, and those who are thinking that anybody is unmute, please mute him or her. Afrin, Anshika, Anushka, whatever you are telling. Is it not possible for me? Always I'll mute. And those who are unmute always, please don't do. Right side you cannot see. Right side I have not written anything. Whatever you are seeing, that is enough. Camel is able, after that I did not write, to survive in the desert. That is with his special qualities. And also it can run fast. Everything is seen here in the hot sand. So it is called sheep of the desert. Try to write, not to type anything now here. Arindam, if you have done, if you have completed, please don't show any images. Because when I'll ask, please answer that. So, second question I'll go. For how many weeks can a camel store food in its hump? So, first question I am rubbing that. Question. Second question I am writing. For how many weeks a camel store food? In its hump. Answer is there. A camel stores food for 2 weeks in his hump. Next, what does the camel eat in the desert? Number 3. What does the camel eat in the desert? The camel eats thorny bushes in the desert. Thorny bushes in the desert. Now, question number 4. I am telling that, please listen to me. I'll write the answer. Please tick it. Choose the right answer. Name the sheep of the desert. Number 4. 4-1. Camel. 4-2. King of the forest. Lion. Number 3, the feet of the camel are thick and padded. Ayush, have you completed? So thick and padded. There are no rivers and lakes in the desert. Number 5. At a time, a camel can drink 200 bottles of water. Number 6, a camel stores its food in its hump. Then we can go to the page number 105. Not stomach or Arindam Ghosh. In its hump. Oh, stores food, hump, stomach, water. So make as many as words you can within the given brackets. Here roaring in, ran, roar, frowning. Arindam, please correct it, not stomach. Hump is there. Arindam, correct it and then after you can show me. Then frowning. Frowning, 3 words. Please write. If you, anybody you can, I'm just writing 2 words. Another words, please write. Row and king. Wing also, very good. Anushka has written wing. The next, blinking. Blinking, that also. I-N-K, ink. Blink I cannot, because blinking, that is the word. So I-N-K, ink. Here also K-I-N-G came. Next, L-I-N-K, link. Another one, king. King you can, but also you have king also we can write. Then next, wonderingly. It is page number 105. Wonderingly, owl. Owl. Yes. O-W-L. Very good. Wonderingly. Okay, I am not writing the word owl. Next one, ring. Very good. Ring. Then another thing, ring and owl. One we can write. Okay. Yes, one. W-O-N. Very good. So three words already I have done. Next, fill in the blanks. First, please write. Den. Den also. Okay, very good. Den. Daksha is Diksha or Daksha. Diksha is written. Den. That also you can write. It's very good. Then next, fill in the gaps. Fill in the blanks with the pictures. First one, mane. M-A-N-E. Second one, paw. P-A-W. Paw. Third one, hoof. Hoof. Fourth one, beak. Here I am writing beak. Fifth one, feet. Sixth one, whiskers. Whiskers. Seventh one, fins. And eighth one, task. Okay. Okay. Some stories are there, some make sentence are there. That I am not doing. Afterwards, I'll do. So up to this, Daksha, Daksha has. You didn't get the questions. Please look at the YouTube channel. But YouTube classes I have given that. Okay. Please look at my YouTube channel because they are not mine in schools YouTube. That here last day also, before that also, I have written my brother's questions and uploaded also I have. So please look at from there. Okay. Then again, if you are having problem, please tell me. Those who are present, let me see. Abhimanyu Garai, Afrin, Tamanna, Oishi Ghosh, Aniruddha Goswami, Angshika Bhakot, Anushka Kumari, Anushree Das, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Bhakot, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Vidyashree Makar. Vidyashree, someday you are here, someday you are not here. Why? Daksha, Dhriti, Diksha, Dibyanka, Kaustav. Kaustav, you are in 3 Pine. Why you have joined 3 Oak? Kaustav, please join in 3 Pine, not in 3 Oak. Okay, please. Today you have joined, no problem, but next John was 3 Oak, please join. Okay, beta. Okay, Vidyashree, I have seen that, but please do regular class, okay? You can do that class very nicely, and also you will get all the question answer. Somebody is doing the very good class and regularly. Dibyanka, no, Dibyanka, you are in Oak, but only Kaustav I am just telling. Okay, bye, have a nice day.